When I was 14 years old, me and my family decided to move from our country of origin, Guatemala, to the United States looking for a better life and future. Going all the way through Mexico was a hard experience that let me reinforce the idea of how actually hard is living in a Central American country with problems like poverty, hunger, and corruption. We were on this long trip during an entire month, and the first time we tried crossing Mexico, we were caught in just 5 days. In that moment, we were scared when the border patrol took us to the immigration facility at the south of Mexico and then to our country. Back then, we just started thinking about all the possibilities that we had in our country, and we just decided to try it once again. Then, after a lot of sleepless nights and the stress of not knowing what was going to happen and not being in a place that you actually trusted, we finally did it. We arrived in the border in between Mexico and the United States, and after 3 days going between immigration centers and buses and stuff, we arrived in Los Angeles. It was in there. It was when I was looking at the urban landscape that Los Angeles made that I just realized that I actually knew really few words in English and how different life was going to be. Because not only my friends and the places that I liked all my life, but also part of my family weren't there anymore. Stuff like people, music, the language, uh, almost everything was new for me. And that change of culture actually changed everything for me and made me feel like excluded and if I didn't belong in the country. I actually behaved like that during a lot of time because my 2 years of high school I just didn't talk with nobody. And it was until one day when I was in my Spanish class when I asked my teacher to go to the bathroom, so I just took the hall pass, and instead of going to the bathroom, I went to the place that I used to go during lunch and just started crying there. That was the moment when I just realized that I wanted to change everything of me, that I wanted to improve everything of me, and I started taking responsibility about that, about myself, and actually working on that. I started practicing more my English. I started working out and forcing myself to talk with other people, so I didn't exclude myself that much. And after a time, not only my grades but also my social and English skills went up, and my life just improved. Then, when my senior year started, I was overwhelmed by the feeling of leaving school, and I just feel melancholy because of all the people that I've met and that I've improved. But with the help of my counselors, I just ended up applying for many colleges, and after thinking it for months, I decided I wanted to study engineering so I could help the world with different problems like air pollution, global warming, and why not, even helping the humanity to step on Mars. I really want to demonstrate the real potential of an immigrant student, and I will do it. That's why I belong to college.